Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 FX4 with a 402A package. Now the exterior color is a blue flame metallic, and under the hood we have a 5.0-liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our projection-styled headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps. We also have our 2 tow hooks in the front, and over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Pirelli tires, as well as our OEM running boards and our color matched mirror caps and color matched door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our trailer hitch and 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our spare fifth wheel. We also have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, which will assist in any needs. As well, we have our soft tonneau cover on top, and inside the box we have a spray and bed liner, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior, the driver can enjoy tons of door storage, as well as power windows and power locks, as well as power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as these mirrors have our signal indicator and are also heated. And over at our steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial with our flip pedal adjustment switch at our tilt steering wheel, which also has our cruise control settings on the left and our hands-free and media and entertainment controls on the right. And as we look up, we have our auto dimming rearview mirror with our 3 garage door opener points and our dome light. We have another pair of dome light in the rear. And as we look, the driver can enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support as well as memory seating. As you look ahead, you'll notice we have 113,955 kilometers on this F-150 FX4 with the 402A package. Now at the front we have our sync display, which allows for phone connectivity, entertainment controls, hands-free voice activation navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as the climate control, which includes an air-conditioned and heated seat for both driver and passenger. And underneath we have our dual climate control area, and at our center console we have our console shift, which allows for a select option of 6 different speeds. At our center console we have tons of storage underneath, as well as we have 2 more cup holders in the rear. And at the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage as well as power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and in the rear of the passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, they can also enjoy a 12-volt adapter with an AC outlet and their own ventilation system. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, there is tons of legroom as well as lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful FX4, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.